Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 GMC Sierra 1500 SLE. Under the hood we have a 5.3 liter V8 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look around. This guy is in white and it does look great. You got the chrome accenting up on the front with the GMC logo there, and you do have projector style headlights right there, as well as the fog lights just down there, right beside your chrome bumper there. You got some tow hooks there in case you need to pull someone out of the ditch or use it for anything like that. Your tires do have a lot of tread left on them, and you do got some very nice rims as well with the GMC logo there. You got the Kodiak logo over here as well. Your mirrors are half in the matte and half in the color of the rest of the vehicle. You got some very nice running boards to help you up into the vehicle down there, and it does also come with the canopy, which is really nice. It'll keep everything dry in there. So to open this guy up, all you gotta do is you gotta turn these, one there, one here, lift this guy up just like that. You can lock them as well so people can't get in, and as long as it is unlocked, you just pull this guy. You do have your backup camera hanging out in there, and then there is your box right there. It does have the bed liner on it, so it won't be getting scratched up either, and it will be safe from rain and whatnot with the canopy on it. Okay, we got our keys here, so we got 2 presses to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them, but let's unlock and jump on in. So on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. These are the controls over your mirrors. And then you have your, sorry, a little bit of chrome accenting there. A little bit of storage here, a bit more down here, and more down here. You can put like a water bottle in there or something. You do have electronic seats here, so this one does slide back and forward, as well as tilt it back and forth, and this guy is the control over your lumbar support. These guys here are your tow and haul options. So you got the controls there, as well as you have the controls over your 4-wheel lock, your 4-wheel low, your auto, all that there, and the controls over your lights, so off, on, daytime running lights, fog lights if you press it in, and then your auto, and then your in-cabin lights here. This guy does control your high beams, your turning signal, as well as your windshield wipers. Okay, now that we're inside, let's put our keys in the ignition and start her up. There we go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer, odometer, as well as our fuel gauge, our oil temperature, and then we also have our battery life up there and all that as well. So then it also is telling us that there might be ice outside to drive with care, which is always very nice. Then over here you do have a couple different options. So you got your info here, your you can change all that. You got your audio, you can go to your phone, your navigation, your options, and you can change all that stuff right from your steering wheel right here, which is very nice. You never have to take your hand off the steering wheel. It's soft to the touch, which is really cool. Then you also have your voice recognition button there, and your hang up button. There we go. English is hard. You have your horn in the middle, and then your cruise control options right there. That guy's your gear shift, of course. And around back here you have these buttons here that actually raise and lower the volume. Very nice to have. You have an identical one on the other side for the channel and whatnot. Then in the center you do have your touchscreen display, so you do have Sirius XM, you have FM and AM all right there, plus a media tab if you do have something hooked up through your aux cord or through anything else, Bluetooth, or if you had a CD in there as well, you can change all that stuff. You got your phone options up here, you have your navigation and your devices. If you did have one paired up, you could see your messages through there, which is very nice. Then down here you do have your volume up and down. You have your off, you have your radio, media, you have your skip options, and then you have your eject, your back, your home, your menu, your browser, and then your CD players right there. You have dual climate right there, then you can raise and lower that as well. It tells you what the temperature is, which is really cool. You got your auto, AC, you got circulation, where it's going to blow out of, how fast it's going to blow. You got your on and off, your your defrosts, and then you do have your traction control, your light for your box, and then you also have a downhill assist right there. In the center here you do have 3 cup holders plus a little bit of extra storage in here. Then you can open this guy up and you got some more room in here, plus you do have a 2 USB plug-ins and an aux cord right over there, which is really nice. You can also lift this up and you have another seat under here. That means you can seat 6 people altogether. And then there is a button right here. You can press that, and there's another little storage container under there as well. Now you can lock that, which is really nice. Then people can't get into it if they did want to. You can also lock this guy, which is your glove boxes, and you got your owner's manual in there as well. Always handy to have a locking one. You do have a sunglass holder right here, as well as you have your options over like your lights if they're going to turn on when you're on, or door, any of that stuff. Universal garage door opener. That light's saying that there's no one in the the passenger seat, so there's no airbag, and then you do have your lights right there. Okay, let's jump on in the back here. Open this guy up. You do have a lot of storage back here as well. You got your speakers down there. You got control over your windows and a little bit of chrome accenting on that handle there. And there is a ton of room back here as well. A little bit of storage over there, plus another plug-in. Then if they didn't have someone in the middle, you can pull this guy down. And you got some cup holders there as well as an armrest. You can also lift these guys up, and you got a little bit of room under there. You could slide something in there, or keep something right there as well. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2016 GMC Sierra 1500. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.